Join me for a tour of this gorgeous new home. Welcome to an episode of Let's Get Real. This home is loaded with features, plenty of upgrades too, so you can get exactly the home that you've always dreamed about. Can you see yourselves cooking dinner in this stunning gourmet kitchen? It's got quartz counters, beautiful stainless steel GE profile appliances, and love this backsplash. I absolutely love the main living space on this home. It's an open floor concept straight into the kitchen, so you can relax in here by the fire. And it's got these gorgeous architectural details throughout, stunning picturesque windows, and engineered hardwood floors. There are so many things about this home that I love. The master bedroom is one of them. It's got gorgeous tray ceilings, and wait until you see the bathroom. Might just be the envy of all of your friends. Oh, and did I forget to mention, this home has 94% energy efficiency. So are you ready to upgrade your lifestyle? I mean, this home is so stunning you may never want to leave. We haven't even started talking about the neighborhood. This home is conveniently located next to shopping, restaurants, easy freeway access. So do you want to reserve your spot before they're all gone? Give me a call today and let's sit down and talk about how we can design your dream home.